Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to DOOGEE N30. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on OPPO. You need to select Receive on DOOGEE and Send on OPPO. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here, select Allow and point your camera at it. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but you can always check it out for sure by going into App Files, selecting, in my case, Images and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!